Have you ever started a diet or a habit feeling confident only to quietly stop a few weeks later and think, why can't I stick with anything? And then you make that mean something about you. This episode is for that moment. Most women don't say, my habits failed. They say, I failed. They assume that they lack discipline or motivation or willpower. I've heard it again and again, but that's not what's actually happening. I used to believe that if I wanted something badly enough, I just had to do it. That's it. I just have to do it. People say, I know what to do. I'm just not doing it. Well, it's not because you know what to do. I when I didn't do it, I told myself I wasn't trying hard enough. So I needed more motivation, more willpower. What I didn't understand was that I was building habits that only worked when I felt motivated. That's what if I know what to do, I'm just not doing it. I just felt like I wasn't motivated enough. I was building habits that only worked when life was calm or when I actually had some energy or when nothing unexpected happened. That's not real life. Here's a pattern I see constantly. Women are brutally self-critical. Every slip up becomes, what's wrong with me? I can't do anything right. I should just quit. While other women go in the opposite direction, almost like a fairyland of telling themselves, I did everything right, even when there were mistakes made, or there's nothing to change. It's all good. I'm doing it. And then sometimes they'll start saying, I don't think I even want to lose weight anymore because they don't want to look at it. But both responses are actually protecting the same thing, your self worth, all those thoughts you have about yourself. It's protecting that because admitting that something needs adjusting can feel like admitting that you did something wrong. And if you're already hard on yourself, curiosity doesn't feel safe. So habits don't fail because you're lazy. They fail because self criticism makes change feel very threatening. So most habits don't just fall apart suddenly, they start to feel heavy, like it's too many rules, too much pressure, too much expectation. And when a habit feels heavy, you don't rebel, you avoid it like the plague. Consistency. That's it's not consistency isn't about pushing harder. It's about making things lighter. That's it. What's one habit that you've been trying to do perfectly that might actually work better if it was easier? Inside my free webinar, I explain why habits collapse, how to rebuild them in a way that fits real life. This isn't about trying harder. It's about making weight loss feel lighter, easier, more sustainable, doable. You're going to find that at coachingkara.com/sign up. That's that free webinar. And I'll make sure that the link is in the show notes.